Picture this. You're a HR professional drowning in spreadsheets, chasing employees for their P45s, manually calculating holiday entitlement, and somehow payroll is due tomorrow. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a system that can handle all of this and give you back your hours of the day? Let's talk about it. Hi there, HR Besties. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm your HR Bestie, and I'm all about making human resources simple, practical, and a lot less stressful. Today, we're diving into something that could genuinely transform how you work, HRIS, or Human Resource Information Systems. Now, I know that sounds very technical and maybe even a bit intimidating, but stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what an HRIS is, why it matters in the UK workplace, and how it can make your HR role so much easier. Whether you're studying HR, just starting your career, working in a small business, or simply curious about HR technology, this video is for you. Because here's the truth, HR is becoming more strategic, and the only way to get there is by letting technology handle the admin heavy lifting. So let's break it down here. HRIS stands for Human Resource Information System. It's essentially software designed to help HR professionals manage all the complex, time-consuming tasks that come with the job. Think of it as your digital HR assistant. It can store employee data, automate processes, and keep everything organized in a central place. Instead of juggling multiple spreadsheets, paper files, emails, and everything you need would be right there in the system. In the UK workplace, an HRIS is becoming less of a nice to have and more of a must to have, especially with the growing compliance and requirements, data protection laws like GDPR, and the shift towards remote and hybrid working. So what can a HRIS actually do? Firstly, payroll management. This is a game changer. HRIS can automatically calculate wages, deductions, national insurance contributions, and tax codes. It can handle statutory sick pay, maternity and paternity pay, and pension auto-enrollment. Second, holiday and absence management. In the UK, employees are entitled to a minimum of 5.6 weeks of paid annual leave. Tracking who's taking what and ensuring it's all compliant can get messy fast. And HRIS employees request holidays directly through the system, and you can approve or decline it with one click. The system automatically updates the remaining balance. And thirdly, employee records and data storage. A HRIS stores everything digitally and securely, which is crucial for GDPR compliance. And fourthly, recruitment, applicant tracking with an ATS to help you manage the entire HR hiring process. And then fifth, onboarding automation. This makes life easier for you and new employees. Compliance and reporting to help you stay on top of the UK employment law. Also, performance management tools for setting objectives and conducting appraisals. And finally, employee self-service so your team can access their own information at any time. Let's talk about the real benefits here, because it's not just about having fancy software, it's about what it allows you to do. The time saving. Imagine cutting your payroll processing time from a full day to just an hour or two. Imagine not having to manually track everyone's holiday. That time you can spend on more meaningful work like employee management, learning and development, or improving workplace culture. A HRIS also improves accuracy and compliance and creates a better employee experience, enables data-driven decisions, and scales as your organization grows. So how do you choose the right one? Step 1, identify the needs, what your biggest pain points are. Step 2, consider your organization's size and budget. Step 3, check for UK specific features. This is crucial. Make sure any system you're considering handles national insurance, payee, auto enrollment pensions, statutory leave, and GDPR compliance. Step 4, research your options. Popular UK systems include Breathe HR, Bamboo HR, Sage HR, and Cypher. Step 5, request demos. Step 6, think about implementation and support. And step 7, involve your team in a decision. So let's quickly recap. A HRIS is a software that helps HR professionals manage administrative tasks efficiently. It saves time, reduces errors, and helps you stay compliant with UK employment law. Key features include payroll, holiday management, document storage, recruitment, onboarding, and compliance. And employees can also self-serve. The biggest benefit is that it frees up your time so you can focus on the strategic, people-focused side of HR. Now, if you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Subscribe to Your HR Bestie for more practical HR advice. Drop a comment below and tell me, does your organization use a HRIS? And if so, which one? Remember, HR doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools and knowledge, you can make real, meaningful difference in your organization. Thanks for watching, besties. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep being amazing.